Hello everyone, I'm Anjala Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. As I promised in my previous video that I will be doing DIY scrunchie video, so this is the DIY scrunchie video that you all been asking for. If you don't want to hear me talking, you can skip the video till. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to make scrunchie with a quality. I did a Q&A in my last video where I answered few questions related to materials, fashion school, veganism, little stuff like that. And in this video, I will be also talking about materials, but for the scrunchies. Where I get my materials for scrunchies, I will be telling it here. So disclaimer for this video, in this video I will be teaching you all how to make scrunchie with machine. And in my next video, I will also be doing a DIY scrunchie video, but with hand stitch and some cute designs to include in your scrunchies. So stay tuned for that as well. And it does not matter if you don't have a sewing machine, because learn the techniques, and in next video, I will be teaching you how to hand stitch. It's not like but a little proper type of stitching that you need for making scrunchies or anything else. If you know, most of my videos is all about recycling, recreating, and this is also one of it, where I tell you how I get my materials and where you can also get the materials. As I told in my previous video, I'm currently studying fashion designing in Nepal, and you know, fashion students have a lot of projects, a lot of assignments, a lot of fashion designing, and lot of shows. What I wanted to say is that you get a lot of extra fabrics, a lot of excess fabric, and a lot of waste materials. This is where the recycling, recreating, and reusing comes in handy. So yeah, I'm gonna show some of my picture, flexing my pictures, and show side by side scrunchie photos which I made out of the leftover from the design and made scrunchies out of it. So I just put side by side here. So I made few of those, and I not only just make scrunchies, I make bags, I make headbands, I make earrings, I make shoes, and a lot of extra things out of it. I also take the leftover fabrics from my college after the classes. And if you don't know where to get the fabrics in Kathmandu, you can get it on Indrachok. This place is also called Churagalli, where you can find affordable price range of fabrics. These are the store I usually visit. The first material you need is some elastics or rubber band. You can find this elastic on Indrachok as well. I usually use these three types of elastics, which is 1/2 inch and smaller than 1/2 inch, and the rounded bobbin elastic. As you can see, these bobbin elastics are quite thick. And if you don't have elastic, you can use the rubber band that's already available in your home. And other simple material you need is chalk, pencil, or measuring tape, scale, scissor, and most important thing is the fabric. Make sure your fabric is well ironed. And for the measurement, it depends on which size of scrunchie you want. If you want smaller scrunchie, add less. If you want bigger scrunchie, add more. That's it. For me, I usually go with 5 by 24, but it depends on my mood. Now, after measuring and cutting the fabric, I'm folding the fabric right side facing each other. I'm using different fabric right now because I'll be showing two methods. This one is by using elastic. You just have to stitch straight, leaving 1/2 or less inch of seam allowance. Now fold the fabric inside out. This will give you a clean finish. As we left 1/2 inch gap in top and bottom while stitching, now we are going to join the gaps aligned with the seam. This will make inserting elastic quite easy. Now turning it inside out just like in the video. As you can see, this will give the top and bottom finishing. Now the half-inch gap which we left is going to work here to insert the elastic. I strongly suggest you to use a safety pin to insert the elastic. Now, just like shown in the video, stitch the gaps together. And here we have it, our scrunchie with an elastic. Now, for those who does not have elastic, you can also use rubber band. Using rubber band can be a little harder than the elastic, but it's quite quicker. You just have to stretch and stitch, and yeah. Chances of getting tangled is really high by using rubber band, so I suggest to use elastic instead if you would like it. Now turn the fabric inside out. Now give the finishing just like the previous method. If you're a beginner, I suggest you to use the first method. It will be very easy for you to understand and make a scrunchie for yourself or to sell. Yes, we're done making the scrunchie, and if you made one, do tag me on my Instagram. Hi, I'm back again, and if you still are confused for making scrunchies or you don't want to make it in general, you can come to my page. I sell scrunchies and many other things in there with affordable price and better quality, so yeah, do follow me there. It's my store, online store. So yeah, if you watched this video, do subscribe to my channel. And if you're wondering which lip shade I'm wearing right now, it's Cyrus's Love Goma. I'll also make in-depth video about this brand, and if you're interested, do subscribe. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.